guys, welcome back to SABBIE. And if you are new, I'm so happy you could join us. Now guys, we all know that weddings can be expensive, big or small, it eventually all adds up. That is why today I am making a budget-friendly card under $1. We start with our baseboard and I am using 250 GSM cardstock. You can use whatever color you prefer. Mix and match your colors for your ribbon and your cardstock to go with your wedding colors. And then I have my mirror board and my invitation information. You don't have to use mirror board if you don't want to. You can use a contrasting color or another color that goes with your wedding theme. That's the beauty of personalizing your own wedding card. You can chop and change whatever you want. And next I have the half pearl stickers. You can also use the little gems. And next is the ribbon. And the length for each invitation or each card is 49.5 or 49.5 centimeters. This card is super simple to do. I guarantee your mother-in-law to be will be impressed. We grab our baseboard, ruler and pencil. And our first measurement is 6.3 centimeters and we mark it off. Then we look for 19 centimeters and we mark that off as well. We repeat the same measurement markings on the opposite end of our cardstock. I then grab my scoreboard to score the top marking to the bottom marking. And if you don't have a scoreboard, that's fine. Just grab a ruler, line it up from the top to the bottom marking and fold the page over. That way you have a perfect fold, just as good as scoring on the scoreboard. I grab my ruler and pencil once again. Our card is slowly taking shape. We then look for the 6 centimeter mark on the ruler and we mark it off on our cardstock. Our next measurement will be the 7 centimeter mark on our ruler and we will mark it off on our cardstock. That will give us a 1 centimeter gap. And if you're using a thicker ribbon, ensure that this width is the same or slightly larger than your ribbon. This helps your ribbon lie nice and flat on your card and is more aesthetically pleasing. Repeat the same measuring steps on the opposite end. I then grab my X-Acto knife, but you can use a scissors or you could use a paper trimmer. I then line up my ruler with the top end that I just folded and the bottom end of the 6 centimeter marking that I've just made, and we will remove that. And then we will line our ruler up with the 7 centimeter marking that we've just made and the bottom end of that fold, and we will be cutting that off too. We are going to be repeating the same steps on the opposite end. Slowly but surely our card is taking shape. Guys, I need your advice. My little diagrams that appear on the side as I do my tutorial. Please let me know on the comments below whether it is helpful to you or not, or should I remove them in my future videos. If you enjoy my content, please give me a thumbs up, hit the bell, leave a comment below. I promise I will respond, and hit the subscribe button. I post videos every week. If you haven't dipped into my channel, well, you are missing out on Rustic wedding invitation, table numbers, place cards, menus, seating plans, handmade cards, budget-friendly cards, Rustic save the dates, pocket invitation, paddle program fans, bride and groom toasting glasses, elegant DIY invitations, lace card invitations, bling invitation. I invite you to spend some time on my channel. I then set my baseboard aside and grab my mirror board and the invitation information. And I applied two-way tape to the back of my invitation information. And you may notice those squiggly black lines all over my page. That was me trying to print my invitation information, only to realize my printer was out of ink. Now if you're looking for a printer that can print cardstock, I use the HP OfficeJet 3830. Now I'm not affiliated with this brand in any way. I just remember how hard it was for me to find a printer that will not break the bank. I then applied two-way tape to the back of my mirror board, and then I apply it to the baseboard. And if you're not looking to buy a printer, you can always go to your print shop and do all your printing. Next we will be working with our ribbon, and our first length of ribbon is 11 centimeters, and that is followed by an 8 centimeter ribbon, and lastly we need a 2.5 centimeter ribbon. And these 3 pieces of ribbon is to make our bow. I grab the 11 centimeter ribbon, fold it in half to get a marking down the middle. I then grab a piece of two-way tape and stick it right there in the middle. Remove the backing, and from each end we fold the ribbon to meet the line in the middle. We then apply two-way tape to that middle point and set it aside. We'll repeat the same process or the same steps for the 8 centimeter ribbon. We remove the two-way tape backing. from our second bow and we place that on top. We then grab our 2.5 centimeter ribbon and we are going to wrap that around our 2 bows. In the coming weeks, I am venturing away from invitations and I will be doing a welcome sign without using a cutting machine, and I will also be doing a unique guest book. So if you are interested in that, please hit the subscribe button. That way you don't miss out. And once that is secure, we place a 2-way tape on the back of our bow to attach to our card. We then grab our half pearls and just cut a little pearl off from that strip, and we are gonna attach that to the middle of our bow. We then set our finished bow aside. Next, we grab our 28 centimeter ribbon and we wrap that around our card and we secure it with 2-way tape. We are not attaching the ribbon to the card, which makes it easy for our guests to slip the ribbon off the invitation to access the invitation information on the inside. And once the ribbon is secure, we grab our bow, remove the 2-way tape backing and attach the bow to the ribbon around the card. And guys, we are done. It was that simple. A budget-friendly wedding card under $1. And if you like my content, please hit the subscribe button, give me a thumbs up and hit the bell. You can even leave a comment below. I will be sure to respond to you.